G'day, Tom here, legacytoolworks. Alright, so first off the bat, it's a bit of an update podcast, but on another note, the learning journey has been great so far. I just want to say it's been a pleasure taking you with me up until this point, and I can't wait to take you along side me further down the track. And also, schedule-wise, it's been a bit hectic lately, just, life, but I'll update you when I can. Without that out of the way, let's get into what's coming up. So, in the pipeline, coming down the track, we have a 12mm thick Bowie chopper project that's currently in progress. I'm excited to almost have this one completed, but it's not quite there yet. If possible, I'll see if I can throw some images up for you just to let you know what's going on. So that's exciting. Essentially, the deal with that one is that someone online challenged me to make a mock-up / prototype, like a mock-up design of a Bowie chopper. Bowie, however you say it. The caveat was, or the main factor was, I had to use the thickest steel possible that I had on hand. And lo and behold, an old barbecue grate I had lying around was just over 12mm thick. So stripped it down and got to it. So that's that. I would like to experiment with stainless steel of some sort. Just because it's a different material, and hey, it'll be worth learning how to deal with it, or at least experimenting and practicing using it. So that's that. The more of those short projects I do, the better. So that 1 hour, ridiculously short, 1 hour spike tent peg / all spike challenge I did just a while back. I would like to do more challenges like that, so set myself a short space in time, probably in this case in the future a 2 hour or a 3 hour, maybe a 5 hour or half day project within 1 day and within strict time parameters. That would be fantastic to test my skills and improve my performance under pressure. Cool. So that's in the pipeline. If you would like to engage, or if you're interested in sending me what you're working on, like a tool or a knife or even woodworking project, I'd still like to see what you're getting into. Sharing with the community is always a good time. So send me what you're working on, whether it's an axe, hammer, whatever, flipping kitchen knife of all things. It's all good stuff. It's all engagement and learning from other people, and it's just great to share and know who you guys are, not in a creepy way, but just to see what kind of skill sets are out there. So that'll be fantastic. You can send that through if you'd like on legacytoolworks@gmail.com. So that's as it sounds, all lowercase, all one word, legacytoolworks@gmail.com. Or you could comment below, have a chat, engage, and see what's going on. And apart from that, I just wanted to keep you guys updated. And that's all for today's podcast. I bid you a fair weekend indeed. It's raining here at the moment, but I'll be in the workshop tomorrow. Until then, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next episode. Ciao for now.